Welcome back everybody, 2Bit Crypto here, and I've got some breaking news for all of you XRP fans out there. This is a big deal and it is broke in the last half an hour. So we're going to talk exactly what's going on with Metacore, a new massive partnership that could send Ripple to $8 or $10 very, very soon. All of that in this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all your latest and greatest in cryptocurrency and XRP. And if you're bullish on XRP and want to see more videos like this, all you got to do is smash that like button. That's how I know that you enjoy this content. And with that being said, let's take a look at the market. So the market looking pretty good as we go into a new week here in the UK, and XRP absolutely following the same trend. 62.48 the current price, 0.5% up. But look at that volume, $1 billion coming out of a weekend is a strong move for XRP, and our market cap sitting around 33.6 billion. So let's get straight into the press release or the news that has come out. We see the Standard Chartered backed Zodia Custody joins the Ripple-owned Metacore Global Crypto Storage Network. Now, the point here is Standard Chartered. So Zodia Custody, a cryptocurrency storage provider backed by Standard Chartered, is joining Ripple-owned custody specialist Metacore's network, which is designed to handle the safekeeping and settlement of digital assets for institutions around the world, the firm said on Monday. So just to be clear, by the way, Standard Chartered, there we are, personal and private banking, over 85,000 individuals that work for this business, a massive financial institution that is partnering up with Metacore. Now, you might be thinking, hold on a minute, 2Bit, who the heck is Metacore? Well, that was announced back in May. We saw leading enterprise crypto company Ripple acquires custody provider Metacore for $250 million. At the time, I remember putting a video out saying, I thought this was a super smart play. So we now know HSBC is on board and now Standard Chartered. And for me, this is about positioning ready for the market move. And Ripple have been doing a fantastic job of that. They paid, or the expectation, obviously, of a $10 trillion market cap by 2030 could be on the cards as well. But if we go a little bit further into this one, it says, as the infrastructure component gradually evolves to resemble the way things are done in traditional finance, different types of networks will appear, said Zodia Custody CEO Julian Sayer. Examples include Copper Clear Loop systems, which recently joined forces with BitGo's Go network, or the self-custody off-exchange systems called Fireblocks. Zodia itself offers an interchange network. It says the aim of integrating with Metacore's network is to offer global sub-custody banking parlays, or for when institution contracts another custody to hold assets for it. Sayer said in an interview with CoinDesk, I think this is the third generation of crypto custody where multiple custodians are linked together. He said, for example, a client in Brazil who is a custodian may want some assets in the UK and they're not currently in the UK. So they can use us as their sub-custodian and use our regulatory permission. And I think multiple networks that are out there will be really key in terms of linking custodian together and linking custodians to exchanges and venues in a compliant manner. Two things that are important there: global payment structure and compliance. They are two big deals. Now, remember, there is further developments around the Uphold partnership with Ripple as well. Massive amounts of liquidity, huge billions of dollars being put into this to support that narrative. And I think very, very good news. And once again, another financial body coming to be part of Ripple. Obviously, still the court case is still going on, and we're expecting to get some sort of answers over the course of the next 6 months. But again, they are just working hard to set themselves up for financial movement of money. And I think it's really important the financial institutions will have nowhere else to go other than Ripple XRP. And I think that's why we see things like this. And you know my view on price predictions, but I do think it's interesting. ChatGPT ultimately feeling $8 is a very realistic target for XRP in 2024. Now, we just hit 40K on Bitcoin in the last couple of hours. So $8 on XRP over the course of the next 12 months, I think is incredibly realistic and actually could even be undervalued based upon what we're doing at the minute, linking into financial institutions, ensuring that we have liquidity to move cross-border payments around the world. Even just getting the name out there is doing a good job as well. So I think it's significantly good news for Ripple. I think there's some big partnerships yet to come. There may also be a partnership with Standard Chartered anyway with Ripple, and we'll see how that all builds out. But yeah, ChatGPT giving their view, ultimately still on the SEC front, but an $8 price range is definitely on the cards. So what does it look like in terms of the charts right now? Well, the chart, and we talked about this the last time we did a video, is in a very good upward trend. So you can see here, this is the normal trend going up. We broke the 200 a while back, and then I talked about this on my last video. If we saw this red line push through, we would get some pretty big price action, and we kind of have got exactly that. So from the point in which we see the break, which was here, we do actually get a pretty strong movement all the way up. And we actually topped out in the high 64s earlier on. So very good move for Ripple. But what does it look like in the future coming? Well, again, Bitcoin breaking 40K is a significant milestone in the market and certainly is giving us a more bullish trend across the rest of it. Now, it looks like XRP is going to continue in line with this upward trend. So we'd expect to see some more price movement over the coming week, potentially even starting to get up to these kind of local highs of around that 64 and 66.2 range. So again, we could see this move quite significantly to the upside, given the fact that we have broke that downward trend, which would have been here, and we broke it on the shorter time frame on the 20-day EMA as well. So for me, everything is looking pretty bullish. There's some big partnerships coming, and as always, we'll try and keep you up to date with everything that is going on. All you have to do is smash the subscribe button so you don't miss a beat in the cryptocurrency market. And if you enjoy XRP videos, smash the like button. As ever, thank you so much for watching the videos. I really appreciate you guys. We're going to be at 20K by the end of the year very, very soon. So do me a favor and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.